back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing good. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how can you style a lot of your normal, regular, funky, casual, a little bit formal sort of looks with your jackets. So I hope by the end of this video, you guys will know how to make the maximum use of your jackets, and that is everything that we are going to see in today's video. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button. Also hit the bell notification icon so that you do not miss out on any videos that I upload. And now let's get started. So a lot of the jackets that I'm going to be showing you today are direct store purchases. So I don't really have an online link or anything that I can put in the description box. However, everything that I can link and everything that I'll be able to find on the internet, I would be linking in the description box. So make sure you guys check that out. So the first one that I'm going to show you is this one. This is from Max. This is just a regular denim jacket. It's in the size small and the price was around 1500. Now this is actually 2 years old, but it is still in such a good shape. I really love wearing this. It's very comfortable. Now denim jackets are so popular and you can never really go wrong with classics, I believe. And this can just add a sense of casualness to a lot of your looks. Let's see how. Look number one. This is just my regular tank top. I'm going to show you how do I style it. So this is how it looks, and I feel it looks really complete with the jacket on. Also the jacket adds to the casualness of the look and also makes it look a little bit cooler, a little bit more sporty. And the choice of the jeans is totally up to you. If you want to have a contrasting look, you can definitely wear a darker jeans. Now if you want, you can definitely go ahead and wear your normal tops in place of the tank top. It will just look equally as good. Now what I recommend is that try pairing this up with your regular jeans rather than pants or trousers, because they look more casual and hence will go better with this jacket. Also if you have sneakers or shoes, they will be perfect to go with this. Talking of denims, next jacket is going to be a denim jacket as well, and this is white in color. So this is from Forever 21 and I paid 3500 rupees for this one. I'll try to find cheaper options and link them in the description box. Now white jacket is so underrated, I believe. I don't really see a lot of people carrying this out, but you guys, they are the best thing. You can style a lot of your looks with this one. I'll show you how. You can also use it the way you use your regular denim jackets as well. So let's move on and see how to style it. Look number one, you can just wear this white jacket in place of the denim jacket. Now it will keep the look casual, but it will just make the look more catchy and attractive. Perfect to be worn out to your workplaces or your classes. Look number two, if you have any stripped bottoms, go ahead and style it with the white jacket. It will make it very casual and very cool at the same time. It will just make the look to be like a complete package, and I really enjoyed wearing this way. Look number three, and this is one of my favorites. Whenever you are going monochrome, you can make use of white jacket. So it'll just add that pop of color and make it a little bit more attractive, a little bit more casual. So to style your monochromatic looks, you can actually make use of a lot of jackets. To be honest, if you have neon colored jackets or if you have something like this, some serious sort of color, you can use this. This is from Max again and I don't remember the price. So if you have something like this, you can pair it up with your monochromatic looks and it will just look perfect. Let's see how. So this is how you can do it. If you have any jackets like this or any neon bright colored jackets, go ahead and wear it on your monochrome looks. They will just look fabulous. Next jacket is this one. This is a navy blue jacket and this is from Myntra, so I do have the link to it. Now this is a crop jacket, so this is going to add that funkiness to a lot of your looks, be it formal or regular. So say if you want to make your formal looks a little bit laid back, a little bit relaxed, you can pair it up with this one. Or if you want to add that funkiness to your casual looks or just the regular looks, you can go with this one. So now I'm going to stop talking and show you how. So I'm wearing my formal top with a formal black pant, and just on the top of this I'm going to add this jacket. Now I love how the jacket makes this outfit a little bit more interesting but then still keeps it formal. Look number two, you can style this jacket with any of your crop tops and jeans / pants or trousers. So since this is a crop jacket, it'll look better when you wear it with crop tops. And I love the strips that are present on the sleeves. That just makes this jacket look really funky and cool. Moving on, the next jacket is this one. Now this is from Cover Story and this is a suede jacket actually. Now I used to hate suede products, the shoes, the bags, the jackets, everything, until I tried this one out. This is so comfortable, you guys. I really love this one. Now this is from a brand called Cover Story, and the price of this one was around 4K. I don't really remember. Now, Cover Story is such a good brand, you guys. They have everything, right from dresses, to jumpsuits, to tops, to the trousers, bottoms, everything. So if you haven't visited this store yet, you need to do that because they are so worth it. I love this jacket. The color is so unique. And I also love the fact that it comes with this huge collar, a lot of zips, and also this belt. So altogether that makes this jacket look very formal. So all you have to do is just pair this jacket up with anything that you're wearing, and it'll add that sense of being formal to the look. Let's see how. Look number 1. You can just wear this jacket with the zips open on the top of anything that you're wearing, and it'll just make it look semi-formal, if you will, and also super elegant. Look number 2, if you're in a hurry and you don't know what to wear and you have to go formal, just wear this jacket, close the zip the halfway, and make sure that the collars are stretching out. Put on the belt and you're good to go. So that's pretty much it about today's video. I hope you guys had fun watching the video and you liked it. If you did, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Hit the bell notification icon so that you do not miss out on any videos that I upload, and I'm going to see you very soon in my next video.